mobile T1 phone was supposed to launch last year in August, but many future customers who put a $100 pre-order sales were left empty-handed till now. It looks like the T1 phone is actually happening as the company started distributing units to media, which in turn means actual shipments will start soon. If you're not followed the news about the T1 phone lately, you will be surprised. The obvious one is the new design, which is a lot different from the initial one. The American flag at the back has 11 stripes, not 13. Another notable change is the label. The phone isn't made in US as it was first announced, but it is proudly assembled in the US. What has not changed is the price for the entry-level 256GB model, which is $499. That's quite an affordable in context of the US market. But the rumored spec does not justify the price. The manufacturer did not give any specs. A representative gave an idea. It will be Snapdragon 7 series, 5000 mAh battery, 50 megapixel main camera joined with ultra-wide and dedicated telephoto camera. The phone supports microSD card storage and has a 3.5mm audio jack on board. There's two rare features, and overall design of the phone suggests it's a rebadged HTC U24 Pro from 2024.